Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new profile to Hulu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to add one of your family members to Hulu. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now I'm here logged onto my website, so it's going to be different whether you're doing it from the app or the actual television. But if you're doing it from your computer or laptop, go ahead and log in. Then on the upper right hand corner, highlight your profile icon, then click on Manage Profiles. Now on this page here, click on Add Profile, and then this is where you could enter your profile name, kids, birthday, gender, and then click on Create Profile. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a profile to Hulu. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.